right, so I am ready to go for work. So that's basically what I do when I'm on the road trying to get ready. I'm basically going to go downstairs to the lobby of the hotel, book an Uber to the location of the client that I'm going to, and then while I'm doing that, study for the day. So that's what I'll do, and then I'll pick up and film once I get back so that you guys can kind of get a gist of what I'm doing on the road. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to call it a night, and a lot of you might not know this about me, but I actually watch CNN basically every single night. So whether I'm traveling or I am at home, it's kind of like my nightcap. And I do that for a few reasons. I generally try not to follow general news, but in regards to politics, political science, laws, legislation, and debate, I love. So I'm very fond of that. And so tonight I'm watching Anderson Cooper, and I'm not going to get into my political views because that would I could just go on and on and on, nor am I going to get into how I feel about our current president, because that's a whole nother story that I don't want to use my channel for. But I am interested in hearing how you guys feel about the current House Speaker, Sarah Sanders. I've really been intrigued by a lot of House speakers because I think that their job is really hard. You have to navigate those hard questions and be evasive, not all the time, but when you have to be. Interestingly enough, I feel like she is the House Speaker and trying to evade those questions, but I feel like she's in a position where it's either her personality or she evades every single question. And I felt for her because I feel like she's put in that position because of all of the stuff that's going on currently in the White House. But I'm not fond of her speaking style and the way that she addresses maybe being asked questions that the general nation would need to know, even if it wasn't classified information. So I'm really intrigued by her. I'm studying her. I'm trying to find different perspectives. So I'm interested in how you guys feel about this particular House Speaker. I'm going to call it a night. Yeah, so let me know. I'm really interested to hear what you guys say. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.